Buddies, my dear buddies, good morning. Today is a beautiful Sunday morning, and we have the 2017 KTM Duke 390 with us and the Yamaha R3. So, the plan is that if possible, we would be riding towards Narsapur Lake. It's a beautiful lake which I've never been to, and also my RC 390 is back. Yes, the baby is back. You see that she's got two brand new alloy wheels and two brand new tires, Metzeler tires. And a sincere thanks to one of our subscriber friends. I don't know if I should take his name or not, so I'm not taking his name, but he gifted me these brand new tires. So much love, so much support. Thank you, my dear friend. So let's get on to the RC390. So now today will be the first day of me riding my RC after the wheels have been replaced. So I would have to be a little careful, but on the same hand I have to even test and see if the new wheels are doing their job. So today it would be fun to have a friendly race between the Duke 390 2017, RC390 2015/16 and the Yamaha R3. Wouldn't that be fun? Let's see. So far the new wheels have been behaving pretty well. Oh God, Hyderabad has been freezing. Very often Hyderabad temperatures in the night go down to less than 10 degrees Celsius. Sometimes 6-7 degrees Celsius also near the place that I live. So this is very cold, my dear friends. Here comes the Yamaha R3. Alright, this is a beautiful corner. I just love taking this corner. R3 in front of me. I go into this corner. Here we go. Overtaking the R3 on the RC in a corner. The RC 390 is an absolute corner king. This thing can corner better than many super bikes also. 2 layers of lining inside my jacket and I'm still feeling cold. Imagine that. I'm wearing leather pants, I'm wearing leather boots, leather gloves, and I'm still feeling cold. That is how cold it is in Hyderabad. Now getting the Duke 390, the 2017 model. Okay, Duke side by side. The RC still pulls away. The Duke. Okay, baby. Alright. The aerodynamics. This is where the aerodynamics of the RC matter. After about 130-140 kilometers an hour. Alright, the R3 versus the RC390. My version of the RC390 is not the new version with all the Euro 4, BS4 emissions and all that. Mine is the older version with a lot of grunt. Okay, time for me to get the Duke 390 now. Oh, not enough space, not enough space. Oh, brakes, brakes, brakes. That Duke has got way better brakes than I do. Whoa, the air turbulence. You know what? I'm going right behind the Duke 390 and the kind of air turbulence, the air movement is just too much. My friend says that his fingers have gone numb. Those are leather or textile? Leather gloves or textile gloves? Ah, they are not leather, no? You should always wear leather gloves in cold weather, friends, else your fingers will just freeze. Alright buddies, here we go. The traffic has gone down now. And now we are having a friendly race between the Duke 390 2017, Yamaha R3, RC 390 2015/16. Taking a sweeping corner. A nice stretch. Let me see if I can get the Duke 390 2017 on this stretch. Crouch down because make use of aerodynamics here. Oh fuck, oh crap. Brakes. That Duke 390 has got fantastic brakes. I should be careful of that because if I don't, then I'll go right into him. I should not stay behind that Duke. I gotta make sure I stay, I keep gap and stay on either on the left or the right of the Duke. Well, why should I stay behind and maintain a gap when I can go ahead of him? The Duke is right behind me, right on my tail. Here comes the R3 back. Alright, time for breakfast. Alright, buddies, so we are done with the breakfast and we have a really nice huge group here. How many people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, probably 18 people. 18 of us. Even the Ducati is right here, which belongs to my friend Vinay. And let us get back onto our respective motorcycles and ride again. I overate today. Overeating is not such a nice thing when you're riding motorcycles.
Overeating is always good for tummy.
Yeah.